All right, so we're on. Here's what we're going to do. Dan Osman climbed El Capitan in 4 minutes and 25 seconds. The distance he climbed was 400 feet. What was his power? Okay, well, let's go ahead and let's go to the ladybug here. All right, so what do we have? We're going to say his mass is equal to, which I think is a little high, 65 kilograms. I mean, a little low. I think because he had so much muscle in there, which is kind of heavy, or more massive, it's more dense, so therefore it's got more mass. I think he might have been pushing 70 kilograms, maybe a little bit more, but we'll go with 65. And the distance that he went up was 400 feet. So this is just like we're going to do the same type of thing that we did when we just lifted the barbell above our head. He's going to climb, so gravity is working against. So his weight, he's got to lift his weight. I better be careful. So the force that he's going to need is going to be 65 times G times 9.8 is equal to 65 times 9.8 is equal to 637 newtons. That's the force that he's going to need to go up. Now, this is illegal. Illegal move. You cannot do this. This is like clipping or holding on a pass play. This you cannot do. 637 newtons times 400 feet. Well, if we had a thing called a Newton foot, you could do that, but we don't. We have a thing called joules. This does not equal joules. So we got to convert 400 feet to meters. You can Google that. My brain works so screwy, I always have to go, well, I know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 meters, or centimeters. So if I multiply 1 inch by 12, I get a foot, so I got to multiply this side by 12. And I get 2.54 times 12 is equal to 30.48 centimeters. 30.48 centimeters. And then I go, oh, well, then this is 1 foot, and I need 400. I'm going to multiply by 400. Multiply this by 400. And I get times 400. And I get 121.92 centimeters. I divide that by 100 because I know there's 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So divide by 100. That's my roundabout. You could have looked that up. About 122 meters. I don't think that's what was on the slide. For some reason, I thought the slide said 136 meters. I don't know why. Because we're just calling it 400 feet, and there's nothing wrong with that calculation I just did. In fact, that gets us spot on. So how much? And he did it in the time was 4 minutes and 20 seconds. We got to, I think. Let's take a peek. Let's take a peek. 4 minutes, 25 seconds. We got to convert all that to seconds here. Okay? So let's go back. So I take 4 times 60 seconds plus 25 seconds is equal to 265 seconds. Okay? 60 times 4, 240, 265 seconds. We will make this a slide, and we will go on and we'll finish this here in a minute. Next